Luxurious motorhomes that will blow your mind. Welcome to our countdown of luxurious motorhomes that will absolutely blow your mind. From futuristic designs to opulent interiors, these motorhomes redefine the concept of luxury travel. So buckle up and prepare to be amazed as we take you on a journey through some of the most extravagant mobile homes on the planet. 1. Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo Superior. The epitome of luxury on wheels, the Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo Superior redefines extravagance. Priced around $3 million, it's arguably the most expensive motorhome globally. The Palazzo Superior boasts futuristic design, high-end technology, and lavish furnishings. Its aerodynamic body, inspired by race cars and luxury yachts, exudes premium appeal. Step inside to find hand-cut wooden veneers, polished flooring, and top-grade leather, mirroring the elegance of a luxury hotel suite. Equipped with a sky lounge, state-of-the-art kitchen, and advanced cockpit, driving this mobile palace is a breeze. Sustainability is key, with solar panels and a high-performance battery reducing reliance on fuel. 2. Numar King Air. Fit for royalty, the Numar King Air exudes regal elegance. With custom-tinted windows and stainless steel trim, its interior impresses. Inside, cathedral ceilings and heated porcelain tiles add understated elegance. The living area boasts ultra-leather furniture, a 4K TV, and a Bose sound system for entertainment. The kitchen is a gourmet's dream, featuring quartz countertops and high-end appliances. The master suite offers a plush bed and en-suite bathroom, ensuring a luxurious retreat. 3. Featherlite Vantare Premium Plus. Crafted by Featherlite Coaches, the Vantare Platinum Plus epitomizes ultimate luxury. Its sleek exterior turns heads, while inside, custom-built Italian leather sofas and a state-of-the-art entertainment center create an ideal space for relaxation. The kitchen is equipped with top-of-the-line appliances amidst handmade cabinetry and granite countertops. The master suite features a king-sized bed, walk-in closet, and lavish en-suite bath. The cockpit boasts touchscreen controls, GPS navigation, and luxury amenities. 4. Provost H345 VIP. The Provost H345 VIP is a masterpiece of mobility, space, and luxury. Its sleek design and custom paint finish leave a lasting impression. Inside, the highest deck and spacious underfloor storage create a comfortable atmosphere. The living area features deluxe sofas, an entertainment system, and ambient LED lighting. The kitchen is a blend of style and functionality, while the bedroom offers a serene retreat. With advanced technology and safety features, driving the H345 VIP is effortless and secure. 5. EarthRo XV LTS. Built on a Ford F550 chassis, it's designed to withstand harsh conditions. The compact kitchen is fully equipped, and a rare indoor shower adds convenience. Self-sustainability is prioritized with a solar power system and water storage. With a powerful diesel engine and advanced safety features, the XV LTS ensures a secure and comfortable off-grid experience. 6. Newell Coach P50. The Newell Coach P50 celebrates the 50th anniversary of the company with unparalleled luxury and sophistication. Its exterior boasts smooth contours and custom paint schemes, making it a visual delight on the highways. The spacious living area is furnished with handcrafted furniture, an entertainment center, and ambient lighting, creating an environment akin to a high-end home. The kitchen is a culinary haven with quartz countertops, custom cabinetry, and top-tier appliances. The master suite offers a king-sized bed, ample storage, and a private entertainment system. With advanced technology and safety features, driving the P50 is both effortless and secure. 7. Marathon Coach H345. Crafted by Marathon Coach, the H345 is a masterpiece of luxury and design. Its sleek exterior, adorned with custom body paint, exudes sophistication. The living area is spacious, featuring handcrafted furniture, a fireplace, and a state-of-the-art entertainment system. The kitchen boasts quartz countertops, high-gloss cabinetry, and luxury appliances, making it a chef's delight. The bedroom suite offers a serene retreat with a king-sized bed, ample storage, and a private entertainment system. With a powerful Detroit diesel engine and advanced amenities, the H345 delivers both performance and comfort on the road. 8. Integra Coach Cornerstone 45 DLQ. The Integra Coach Cornerstone 45 DLQ sets the standard for luxury in motorhomes. Its lavish interior is adorned with high-end finishes, custom furniture, and state-of-the-art amenities. The living area features handcrafted furniture, a fireplace, and an entertainment system, creating an ambience of opulence and comfort. The kitchen is a chef's dream, with quartz countertops, custom cabinetry, and luxury appliances. The master suite offers a king-sized bed, ample storage, and a private entertainment system. With advanced technology and safety features, driving the Cornerstone 45 DLQ is both luxurious and secure. 9. Marathon Coach H3 1300. The Marathon Coach H3 1300 epitomizes luxury and sophistication in motorhome design. The living area features handcrafted furniture, custom ambient lighting, and a state-of-the-art entertainment system. The kitchen is equipped with quartz countertops, luxury appliances, and ample storage, making it ideal for gourmet cooking on the road. The bedroom suite offers a king-sized bed, walk-in wardrobe, and a private entertainment system, ensuring a peaceful retreat. With advanced technology and practical amenities, the H3 1300 delivers a luxurious and comfortable travel experience. 10. Liberty Coach Fairfield Edition. The living area is adorned with handcrafted furniture, custom finishes, and a state-of-the-art entertainment system, offering a luxurious retreat on the road. The kitchen is a chef's paradise with quartz countertops, high-end appliances, and ample storage, making it perfect for gourmet cooking. The bedroom suite offers a king-sized bed, walk-in wardrobe, and a lavish and sweet bathroom, ensuring a restful retreat. With advanced technology and safety features, driving the Fairfield Edition is both luxurious and secure. Thanks for joining us on this whirlwind tour of luxury motorhomes. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And remember, the road to luxury is just a click away. Until next time, happy travels!